We've all had that awful moment. You hit send on an email and instantly realize there's a typo, a missing attachment, or worse, you sent it to the wrong person. Today, you're going to learn exactly how to unsend a sent email in Outlook or Hotmail using the updated 2025 settings, so you never have to panic again. Start by signing into your Outlook account. Head over to the login page, enter your details if you're not already logged in, and once you're in, you'll land right on your Outlook homepage. This is where all your email management happens. From here, look toward the top right corner for the settings icon. Click it and a drop-down menu appears. Depending on your version, choose either Mail or View All Outlook Settings. Both take you to the full settings menu. Inside the Mail settings, select Compose and Reply. This section controls all the details of how your emails are written and sent. Scroll down a bit until you see the option called Undo Send. This is the feature that gives you a buffer, a small delay that allows you to stop an email before it officially leaves your outbox. You'll notice a slider that lets you choose how long that delay lasts. Outlook typically sets it to around 10 seconds by default, but you can adjust it to whatever feels comfortable. Think of this as your safety window. During this delay, your email is held briefly, giving you the chance to hit undo if you suddenly spot an issue. Once you pick your preferred delay time, don't forget to hit save. That's what locks the feature in. Now, when you send an email, you'll see a small pop-up at the bottom of your screen offering the option to undo the send. As long as you click it within your chosen time limit, Outlook will stop the email before it's delivered. Just keep in mind that once that window closes, the email can no longer be retrieved. This simple setup creates a powerful layer of protection against rushed mistakes. With Undo Send enabled, you can email with more confidence, knowing you have a few extra seconds to catch anything you missed. If this guide helped you take control of your Outlook inbox, feel free to explore more tips and tools that make emailing smoother and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.